Did you guys know you can change your iPhone settings for just one app? Your iPhone has a hidden feature that lets you customize individual apps without changing your entire iPhone. Here is where to find it. Open the settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll all the way down and tap Per App Settings. Here you'll see the apps you've already customized. You can also tap Add App to choose another app. For example, let's select WhatsApp. Now you'll see a whole list of settings that can be changed specifically for WhatsApp. For example, under Display and Text Size, you can turn on bold text, increase the text size, enable button shapes, and more. And the best part, these changes apply only to WhatsApp. So if you want larger text in WhatsApp but don't want larger text everywhere else, on your iPhone, you can do exactly that. You can also customize settings like reduce transparency, reduce motion, reduce bright effects, autoplay animated images, and autoplay video previews. And you can do this separately for different apps. You can even remove an app from this list whenever you want. This is especially useful if you want certain apps to look or behave differently without changing your entire iPhone. Most iPhone users don't even know this feature exists. If you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and share this video with your family and friends.